You used to focus for hours. Now you struggle to focus for 10 minutes. You sit down to work. You open your laptop, and somehow, you end up scrolling. It feels like your attention span is broken, like something is wrong with you. But it's not your discipline. It's not your intelligence. And it's not that you suddenly became lazy. Your brain is overstimulated. Every day, you consume more information than your mind was designed to handle. Notifications, short videos, endless scrolling, constant switching between tasks. Your brain never gets a single stream of focus. It gets fragments, tiny pieces of attention pulled in different directions. Focus is not just about willpower. It's about mental environment. And your mental environment is crowded. When your brain is used to rapid stimulation, slow tasks start to feel painful. Reading feels heavy. Deep work feels uncomfortable. Silence feels unnatural. Not because you are incapable, but because your dopamine baseline has shifted. Fast rewards have trained your brain to expect constant novelty. So when something moves slowly, your mind resists. Not out of weakness, but out of conditioning. You don't lack focus. You lack stillness. You don't lack motivation. You lack mental space. And space is something modern life rarely gives you. Think about it. When was the last time you were bored without reaching for your phone? When was the last time your mind wasn't processing something? Your brain is not broken. It is overloaded. And overloaded systems do not perform well under pressure. They shut down. They avoid. They escape. So you blame yourself. You tell yourself to try harder, to wake up earlier, to push more. But pushing an overstimulated mind only creates more resistance. Focus returns when noise decreases. Clarity returns when input slows down. Attention is not forced. It is protected. If you want your focus back, don't start by adding more discipline. Start by removing distractions. Fewer inputs, fewer tabs, fewer notifications, longer stretches of silence. Your brain remembers how to focus. It just needs space to do it. You are not incapable. You are overstimulated. And overstimulation is reversible. Slow down the noise, and your mind will slowly return to you.